We are outside the map, and today we're taking you through 20 must-visit places in Europe to add to your bucket list. Don't forget that you'll find timestamps below, so you can easily jump to any section. Let's get started. 1. Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon is a charming labyrinth of cobbled streets, yellow trams, and scenic viewpoints overlooking the Tagus River. Its neighborhoods, like Alfama and Bairro Alto, are full of life and history. The melancholic, soulful sound of fado fills the air, blending with the scent of custard tarts and the salty Atlantic breeze. Lisbon is a city that invites you to get lost and find unexpected moments along the way. 2. Edinburgh, Scotland. This city feels like a Gothic fairy tale, with its imposing castle perched on a hill and winding medieval streets lined with stone houses. Edinburgh is a mix of history and mystery, filled with ghost legends and echoes of writers like Robert Louis Stevenson. The surrounding green hills offer natural escapes and breathtaking views. 3. Dubrovnik, Croatia. Known as the Pearl of the Adriatic, Dubrovnik captivates with its ancient walls enclosing a pristine old town. Cobblestone streets, sunlit squares, and the deep blue sea invite you to explore slowly, savoring every corner and every stone. The sound of seagulls and the scent of the sea accompany every step. 4. Copenhagen, Denmark. Copenhagen is the definition of urban happiness. Bikes everywhere, minimalist design, and a culture that values sustainability and well-being. Canals and bridges create a harmonious cityscape, while neighborhoods like Nihon offer colorful facades and cozy cafes. It's a modern city with a warm, human touch. 5. Santorini, Greece. This volcanic island is the Mediterranean dream come true. Whitewashed houses with blue domes, cliffs plunging into the sea, and black sand beaches. Santorini is a place to slow down with the rhythm of the sea, enjoy sunsets that look like paintings, and get lost in its charming, tradition-filled villages. 6. Bruges, Belgium. Bruges is a fairy tale medieval town with canals reflecting Gothic buildings and cobbled streets that seem untouched by time. The air is filled with the aroma of handcrafted chocolate and fresh beer, while plazas and towers invite you to sit back and watch time go by. Visiting Bruges feels like stepping into a living postcard. 7. Loire Valley, France. Known as the Garden of France, the Loire Valley is a landscape dotted with majestic castles surrounded by vineyards and manicured gardens. The region blends history, Renaissance architecture, and nature in a setting where every chateau tells a story and every path invites peaceful exploration. 8. Riga, Latvia. Riga combines stunning Art Nouveau architecture with a lively medieval old town. Traditional markets, stylish cafes, and contemporary art galleries create a vibrant, modern atmosphere that lives in harmony with centuries of history. It's the perfect destination for those who enjoy culture and authentic urban life. 9. Salzburg, Austria. Famous as Mozart's birthplace, Salzburg dazzles with its Baroque old town, imperial palaces, and a landscape framed by mountains. Music fills the air, whether in a classical concert or street performance, while gardens and fountains add a touch of serenity and elegance. 10. Azores, Portugal. In the middle of the Atlantic Ocean, the Azores are a natural paradise of volcanic landscapes, crater lakes, waterfalls, and wild beaches. It's a haven for hikers, whale watchers, and anyone seeking a deep connection with nature in its purest, most untamed form. 11th. Sardinia, Italy. Sardinia offers an irresistible blend of crystal-clear beaches, green mountains, and ancient archaeological sites. Its traditional villages, local cuisine, and the warmth of its people turn every visit into a complete experience of Mediterranean nature and culture. 12. Ghent, Belgium. Ghent is a vibrant city with a historic old town, peaceful canals, and a dynamic arts and culture scene. Less touristy than Bruges, it offers a more authentic experience with street markets, festivals, and architecture that spans from Gothic to modern. 13. Interlaken, Switzerland. Nestled between two lakes and surrounded by towering alpine mountains, Interlaken is the ultimate base for outdoor adventures. From hiking to paragliding, this destination is a paradise for nature lovers and adrenaline seekers, with postcard-perfect scenery at every turn. 14. Tallinn, Estonia. Tallinn perfectly blends its medieval old town with a modern, tech-savvy city. Its walls and towers hide streets full of cafes and design shops, while its youthful and creative energy fosters an innovative atmosphere without losing its historical charm. 15th, Porto, Portugal. Porto enchants with its mix of tradition and modernity, its wine cellars by the Douro River, and its colorful architecture. The city is a mosaic of bold flavors, from its famous wine to its local cuisine, all within a picturesque setting that invites slow, scenic strolls. 16. Granada, Spain. The Alhambra, with its palaces and gardens, is just the beginning of what Granada has to offer. Its narrow, steep streets tell stories of cultures intertwined over centuries. Tapas, flamenco, and a lively student atmosphere make this city vibrant and full of life. 17. Kraków, Poland. Kraków is a destination where history can be felt in every square and street. Its old town is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, filled with castles, churches, and an atmosphere that blends tradition with youthful energy. It's a place where the past and modern life coexist in a vibrant way. 18. Ljubljana, Slovenia. Small, green, and charming. Ljubljana delights with its winding river, Baroque architecture, and lively cultural scene. The city is perfect for walking or biking, enjoying its markets, cafes, and the relaxed vibe that wins over every visitor. 19. Marseille, France. As the gateway to the Mediterranean, Marseille offers a cultural and scenic mosaic. Its exotic markets, vibrant food scene, and old port coexist with surrounding mountains and beaches, creating a city of contrast where tradition and modernity intertwine. 20. Rovaniemi, Finland. In the heart of Lapland, Rovaniemi is the official home of Santa Claus and a prime spot to witness the northern lights. Endless forests, frozen rivers, and the magic of winter make this a unique destination for those seeking nature and legends at their most powerful. Have you already been to any of these places? Which one would you add to the list? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to leave a like if this video inspired you. Subscribe to our channel for more unique journeys, curious stories, and destinations that will surprise you. And if you want to keep exploring, check out the videos right here. We know you'll love them. See you at the next destination.